Hello everyone. This is Jack or Mitsubishi J2M3 Raiden. This kit I got here is in 1/48 scale from Tamiya. Very old kit that dates back to 1973. The kit has the old Tamiya vibe packaging, which is very familiar to old and newcomers to the hobby. Let's take a look inside. Very small model in the 48 scale. I can easily mistake it with the 72 scale model if I don't have the box with me. Here are the decals and nice markings. I think I will go for the version which has the lighting painting. I remember old Tamiya kits come with 2 language instructions, one in Japanese and one in English. The instructions are very straightforward. It has 3 painting schemes, and with very few steps, you can finish the model with ease. I really like the color instruction guide for painting, which will help you visualize your model, and a great piece of poster for display after you have finished your model. Let's open the sprue bag. Oh, the seat has fallen off. Very small and basic details. The clear part of the canopy is nice and crisp. The fuselage comes in 2 pieces. There are basic details and paneling on the model, some parts for the engine and propeller. Very simple. I hope the fitting is still great as usual. The other half comes with landing gear, cockpit, and 2 figures in sitting or standing position. The wings come with the upper and lower sections, and again, basic details and paneling, which is not bad. I'm not complaining about it. But if you want more details, you can buy some aftermarket parts and create some rivet lines on the model. And here it all comes in the box. I hope I will finish this guy soon. Has anyone built this kit before? How does it fit? Share your thoughts in the comment. See you guys in the next video.